Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving third problem in exercise 2.2. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solution. The video link is in the description below. Do check it out. It would be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Question is, find HCF of 2,52,525 and 3,63,636. Okay, here we need to find out HCF. What is HCF? HCF is nothing but highest common factor. How we can find out highest common factor? Already I had discussed about this in one of my previous classes, that is highest common factor. In that class, we had used Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, we have to know what is Euclid's division algorithm. Then only we can solve this kind of problems. So, I can give the video link of Euclid's division algorithm in the description below. Check that video first. Then only you can solve this. You can understand this problem. So for solving this problem, we have to know what is Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, in short, Euclid's division algorithm is nothing but it's a process of division, but we have to continue the process until we reaches the remainder 0. But each and every step will be following Euclid's division lemma formula. And also I had discussed about this Euclid's division lemma in my previous classes. I can give the link of both Euclid's division algorithm and Euclid's division lemma in the description below. Do check it out. Now we can see the solution. Now for the solution, we have to find out HCF. HCF is highest common factor. We are going to find out HCF using Euclid's division algorithm. For Euclid's division algorithm, we need to know what is Euclid's division lemma. Okay, for that we should write that formula first. What is Euclid's division lemma formula? A equal BQ plus R. Here A is dividend, okay, and B is divisor, Q is quotient, R is remainder. Here we are going to divide this big number by this small number. This is big number, this is small number. So we'll be dividing 3,63,636 by 2,52,525. Here this number would be dividend, this number would be divisor. Okay, so a value of A is this 3 lakh something and value of B is 2 lakh something, right? This is all about Euclid's division lemma. For this problem, you have to know what is Euclid's division algorithm and what is division lemma. Okay, and I'm applying the value of A. What is A here? 36, 36, 36 equal, what is B? 25, 25, 25. If you are multiplying this number with 1, we'll be getting same number, right? If you are multiplying this number with 2, I'll be getting greater number than this, right? So I am taking 1. 1 into 2,52,525 will be getting same number, right? 2 lakhs 25, 25, 25. If I 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1. No, this is 5, right? So 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 2, 3 minus 2, 1. I am getting 1,11,111. So this is, we need to apply the value of Q and R in this formula. What number we have gotten as Q? 1. What number we have gotten as the remainder? 1, 11, 11, 11. So in this stage, the remainder is not 0, right? The concept is we have to reach the remainder. That should be 0. At that stage only we can stop the process. But here we are getting the remainder as 1,11,111. So we are going to continue the process. But in next step, this would be the dividend. This would be the divisor, right? That is very important. You have to know this in next step. This would be the dividend. This would be divisor. Okay. So dividend means A, right? Divisor means B. So in next step, A is this number, B is this number. That value should be applied in this formula. This is basic common formula, right? This is the basic thing we have to know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply A and B value in this formula. So what is A here? 25, 25, 25. B 11, 11, 11. And in this stage, what would be the Q? What would be R? We are going to find out that. For that, we have to divide this 25, 25, 25 by 11, 11, 11, right? 25, 25, 25 by 11, 11, 11, 11. So if I am multiplying 1 with this number, I am getting same 1 lakh something. If I am multiplying 2 with this 1 lakh, I'll be getting 2 lakh something, right? So this is 2,52,525. So I'm taking number 2. I'll be getting 2 into 1, 2 into this number. I'll be getting 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? Right? So when I'm subtracting 2 from 5, I'll be getting 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So this is the remainder, right? 3 lakhs 30,303. So I am applying this value. What is Q here? Q is 2 plus R is 30,303. So in this stage also the remainder is not 0. So I am going to continue the next step. In next step, what is important? This number would be dividend, right? This number would be divisor. In short, this is A, this is B. We have to apply that values in this formula. What is A here? 11, 11, 11. B is 30,303. We need to know the value of Q and R. So what we have to do, we are going to divide this number by this number. We'll be dividing 11, 11, 11, 30,303. Right? So if I am dividing 30,303, we'll be getting same number 30,000. So if I am multiplying 1 with this number, we'll be getting 30,000 and something. If I am dividing 2 with this number, we'll be getting 60,000 something. But here we have 1 lakh, right? 1,11,000 this number. So I can try 4. I am going to multiply this number with 4. Let's see what would be the number. 30,303 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. 0 into 4, 0. The remainder 1. And 3 into 4, 12. 1. 3 into 4, 12. So here this number is exceeded, right? So I can multiply this number with 3. Why? Because this number is greater. than this, right? The number should be lesser than this number. So I am going to multiply 30,303 by 3. Okay. 3 into 3, 9. 0, 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 0, 0, 0, 3 into 3, 9. So I'll be getting 3 into 30,303 is 90,909. If I am subtracting, here we are having 1, right? If I am taking 1 from here, I'll be getting 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 11 minus 9, 2. Here we'll be having 0, right? And 0 minus 0, 0. Here we'll be having 1. So I am taking this number 11. 11 minus 2, 11 minus 9, 9, 2. Here we'll be having 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0. Here we are having 1. So I am taking 1 from here. So 11 would become, right? So 11 minus 9, 2. Again we'll be having 0 here. So this value, remainder is 20,202. Okay. So I'm applying the value of quotient and remainder over here. What is quotient? 3. What is remainder? 20,202. So in this stage also, we are having the remainder as 20,000 something. But that remainder should be 0 in Euclid's division algorithm, right? So I'm going to continue the step again. So in next step, what would be the important thing? This 30,303 would be A and this would be B, right? So value of A is this number, value of B is this number. So I can apply the values in this formula. This is common formula, right? So I'm applying, what is A here? 30, 33. What is B here? 20, 22. Q we need to find out and R also we need to find out. In next step, we are going to divide 30,303 by 20,202. $30,303 by 20,202. Now, this is 20,000 something, this is 30,000 something. So, if I am multiplying 1 with 20,000, I'll be getting 20,000, right? So, if I am multiplying 2 with this number, I'll be getting 40,000 something. So, I'm taking only 1, okay? If I am multiplying 1 with this number, I'll be getting 20,202. So, 3 minus 2, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. So this is the remainder. This is the remainder. This one is quotient. So I'm applying Q and R values here. What is Q? Q is 1. R is 10, 10, 1. So here also remainder is not 0. So we have to continue the next step. In next step, we have to write the Euclid's division lemma formula. This 20,000 something is something would be dividend and this number would be divisor. Okay. Now what is this is A, this is B. We have to apply the values. 20,202 equal, what is B? 10,101 into Q plus R. We need to find out the value of Q here. Q and R. I should divide this number by this number. 20,202 by 10,101. So if I am multiplying 1 with 10,000 something, we'll be getting 10,000. If I am multiplying 2 with this 10,000, I'll be getting 20,000 something. So I'm taking 2, right? So if I'm taking 2, 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. So I'm getting number is 20,202. Same number, right? 2 into 10,101, be getting 20,202. So answer is 0, right? This number, subtraction this number 0. So here we reaches the remainder 0. I'm applying the values here. What is Q? Q is 2, R is 0. Now we reaches remainder as 0, right? So we can stop this. So here our goal is find out HCF, right? At which step the remainder is 0. In that same step we'll be having one divisor, right? That divisor is called as HCF, highest common factor, or else we can say greatest common divisor, GCD or HCF. According to this question, we can say HCF. So what is HCF here? This divisor, right? This number, right? What is the greatest common divisor? This number. In what stage we are getting the remainder as 0? In that stage we will be having one divisor. That number is called as a GCF or HCF. Okay. Here what is HCF? 10, 10, 1. HCF. Answer is 10,101. So HCF of, what is the question? 36, 36, 36, comma, 25, 25, 25. HCF of 3 lakhs 36. No. Here. HCF of 3,63,636 and 2,52,525 is how much? This number, right? 10,101. This is the answer of third problem in exercise 2.2. It seems like complicated, but if you practice, it will be easy. For that, you have to know what is Euclid's division algorithm and what is Euclid's division lemma. I can give this both class link in the video description below. You can check it out. Okay. Euclid's division algorithm and Euclid's division lemma is very important for finding HCF. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, hit like button. And for more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.